Here's the latest Monte Carlo to come in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2003 model year. Monte Carlo SS. Of course, the tried and true 3800 V6 underneath the hood in this particular car. Low mile, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage of a little over 44,000 is all. Regular service history. Nice looking car. Victory red in color. Of course, the modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Actually would have dual climate control in this particular car. We'll get around to the interior, check that out a little closer. It'd be the ebony leather. Riding on the factory wheels, along with Bridgestone radials that were only put on just a couple years ago. Plenty of tread left on those. You'll be able to see that in the still picture, along with undersides of this car, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 to get an idea on the condition of the paint. Considering age, miles, very nice condition. Of course, it's been driven. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there on it. But again, overall, shows very well. Power moonroof or sunroof, whichever you prefer. Leather buckets. Center console. The power driver's seat in this particular model does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo system. More modern with Bluetooth and a hands-free. So nice update there for modern driving. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Particular vehicle has been in our area its entire life, and again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A regular maintenance history on it. And once again, check out the still pictures. Look at the underside, look at the interior, engine bay. Clean car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. One of those looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. And of course, the more modern amenities on the interior. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows, of course. There's that power seat in the driver's side, steering wheel controls, fog lights, of course traction control with an automatic transmission, or dual climate control. Take a look at the seats, don't show a lot of wear. One suggestion I would have is on this top, it's just a little dried. It's not cracked or ripped or anything like that. Take some nice leather conditioner and condition that. We'll get supple again. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out those exact miles. It was just slightly over 44,000. 44,004, I believe. There it is, 44,004 miles. Only warning indicators tell me to put my seatbelt on. As you can see, the gauges are all working. Here's that stereo system. Again, Alpine aftermarket. There is a microphone up here for, again, hands-free calling. You'd have your little driver's information center up here. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Nice shape. We'll show you the sunroof or moonroof is in working order. We'll run that back. Closes up nicely, and that is a factory installed one. Slip around to the back. I've not really noticed any modifications on this car, which is definitely good. Everybody likes that tried and true 3800 V6 underneath the hood. Very reliable, trustworthy power plant that's also economical. Don't expect this one to last long. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Speaking of that 3800, just take a peek at it underneath the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first of all, take a look at underneath the hood. That hood liner doesn't really look like this has been driven in much spring climate weather. There it is. How smooth that runs. And remember, power steering, power brakes, of course, AC blows cold. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. That 3800 V6. 2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. What a good looking coupe in Victory Red. Low miles, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.